Listen, every breath you take is a battle. Deep inside your chest, your lungs are working around the clock to keep you alive. But today, an unexpected enemy has arrived. Quiet heroes that never ask for a break. Every second, they deliver oxygen so every part of your body can keep moving. But every story has a villain, and this one puff may seem small, but your lungs notice every single one. Tiny defenders inside begin working harder to clear away harmful particles. The more smoke arrives, the harder your lungs must work. Over time, this extra strain can make it more difficult for them to do their job effectively. And your body is always trying to protect you. And if smoking stops, your lungs begin a gradual healing process. Recovery takes time, and the extent varies from person to person, but every smoke-free day is a step in the right direction. Hidden inside your lungs are millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. This is where oxygen enters your blood and carbon dioxide leaves your body. They're small, but they're essential for every breath. When cigarette smoke enters, your lungs immediately begin filtering thousands of chemicals. Over time, repeated exposure can overwhelm this natural defense system. Your lungs also rely on tiny hair-like structures called cilia. They sweep away dust, germs, and mucus every single day. Smoking can slow this important cleaning system. Imagine cleaning your home every day, then suddenly losing your broom. That is what happens when these tiny defenders struggle to keep up. Here's the good news. Your body has an incredible ability to adapt. After quitting smoking, many of these natural cleaning processes can begin improving over time. Recovery differs from person to person, but every smoke-free day helps. Every breath is another chance to care for your lungs. Whether you are quitting, supporting someone else, or simply learning more, understanding how your body works is a powerful first step. The cigarette thinks it is winning. Every puff leaves behind more work for your lungs, but your body hasn't given up. Not even close. Within just minutes of your last cigarette, your body begins adjusting. Your heart and lungs no longer have to face new smoke, allowing them to focus on their normal work. The pace of recovery is different for everyone. Every smoke-free day gives your body another opportunity to repair and adapt. Small improvements can add up over time, especially when combined with healthy daily habits. Fresh air, regular movement, good sleep, and balanced nutrition all support your overall health, including your lungs. Healthy habits work best together over time. Your lungs don't expect perfection. They simply benefit from every healthier choice you make. Even one positive step today can become the beginning of a better tomorrow. And remember, every breath is a gift. Protecting your lungs isn't about fear. It is about giving yourself the best chance to enjoy life's moments for years to come. Your lungs don't ask for expensive gifts. They simply ask for clean air, movement, restful sleep, and enough time to do what they were designed to do. Help keep you alive. Every healthy choice becomes another teammate. Fresh air, exercise, nutritious meals, hydration. Together, they support your body's natural ability to function at its best. The cigarette finally realizes something important. It becomes weaker every time you choose not to light another one. Your decisions shape the future of your lung. No matter where your journey begins, learning how your body works gives you the power to make informed choices. Knowledge can become the first step toward change. Take a deep breath. Appreciate what your lungs quietly do every second. They rarely ask for attention, but they deserve your care every single day. Your lungs fight for you every single day. If this story helped you understand them a little better, share it with someone you care about. And if you want more cinematic journeys inside the human body, subscribe.
Every breath tells a story. Subscribe to join Daily Health Tips as we explore the incredible world inside the human body, one cinematic journey at a time.